Yo, what's up, tech lovers? Welcome back to Try Tech AB. Today, we're diving deep into the beast of gaming phones, the ASUS ROG Phone 9. This isn't just a phone, it's a mobile gaming powerhouse designed to obliterate any game you throw at it. We'll be covering everything from its jaw-dropping specs to its unique features and accessories. So buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First things first, let's talk about the design. The ROG Phone 9 screams gamer, with its aggressive lines, RGB lighting, and bold color choices. It's a statement piece that's sure to turn heads. But it's not just about looks. This phone is built like a tank. It's got a sturdy frame and a reinforced display to withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions. Now, let's get into the guts of this beast. The ROG Phone 9 is powered by the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, clocked at a blazing 3.36 GHz. This chip is an absolute monster, capable of handling the most demanding games with ease. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, you'll have plenty of horsepower to spare. We put the ROG Phone 9 through its paces with some of the most popular mobile games, and it consistently delivered smooth, lag-free gameplay at max settings. Even the most graphically intensive titles ran like a dream. The ROG Phone 9 sports a stunning AMOLED display with a refresh rate of up to 165 Hz. This means incredibly smooth visuals and buttery smooth scrolling. Colors are vibrant and accurate, making games and movies pop. Audio is another area where the ROG Phone 9 excels. It features dual front-facing speakers that deliver loud, clear, and immersive sound. You'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action. But what really sets the ROG Phone 9 apart is its unique features and accessories. Let's start with the ultrasonic air triggers. These touch-sensitive buttons on the side of the phone can be customized to perform various actions in games, giving you a competitive edge. And then there's the Aero Active Cooler. This clip-on fan not only keeps the phone cool, but also adds additional buttons and ports for a more desktop-like gaming experience. ASUS also offers a range of other accessories, including the Kunai gamepad, which transforms the phone into a handheld console, and the ROG Lighting Armor case, which adds even more RGB flair. Of course, the ROG Phone 9 isn't just about gaming. It also boasts a capable camera system, featuring a triple lens setup that captures stunning photos and videos. And with a large battery and fast charging capabilities, you can game for hours on end without worrying about running out of juice. So, is the ASUS ROG Phone 9 worth the hype? Absolutely. It's the ultimate gaming phone for those who demand the best performance and features. It's not cheap, but if you're a serious mobile gamer, it's an investment that will pay off. What do you think of the ROG Phone 9? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and giveaways. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.